going on, y'all? This is KP, and welcome back. We're back, baby. And this is the last video of the Burbank project. If y'all were following us, you will see the entire journey of this project on our social media. But if you haven't, don't worry yourself. We're going to show you right now on what it used to look like, and then I'm going to walk you through it. But before that, click the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel. All right, so let's go inside, man, and check this thing on out. Usually when we came in here, it looked nothing like this, right? There's a big fireplace right here in this corner. We took that out, got rid of the entire fireplace all the way down to the foundation, and then replaced all the flooring. Replaced all the windows, every window except this humongous window right here. And I told my partner Geno that we should leave a window because I think it just adds that classic touch to it, especially with the way that it's tilted. All right, so behind me we had to create a galley kitchen because it had that small kitchen, but we wanted to make this space feel a little larger. So we waterfalled the granite, made a little cutout just for like a little breakfast nook, and then put this amazing vent hood up here. And we tiled the tile vertical to give it that longer feeling or that longer look, to make like the ceilings are a little higher in the kitchen than they really are. Went with gold accents just to spruce it up a little bit. So you can see how much larger this kitchen feels. It was a wall right here that divided this little kitchen from the rest of the living area. But we took that wall out to create a larger space. So let's go around here. This is one bedroom, 2 bedrooms, then the hall bath in the middle. We went with the accent tile, the pattern tile, to just give it a little flair. Then of course we herringbone the subway tile in the shower. Little simple gray vanity, cool little lights from Amazon. All right, now let's go look in the master and let me show you guys what we did in here. All right, as you can see, we really did it up in here. We created this wall that was the old closet wall. It created a double closet. So it's a his and hers closet that leads into the master bathroom. Again, we chose another pattern tile to give it a little flair, but in the master shower, we just went with the black penny tile and the marble wall tile. Give it a more luxurious feel, and we went with the black fixtures. Swinging around, we kept the black fixtures over here as well as the towel hanger and towel rack and toilet paper holder, but we kept the gold knobs on the vanity to give it that little look, and also to tie it in with these mirrors. Check out those vanity lights. Pretty cool, right? All right, now we're gonna go down to one of my favorite areas, the basement. So let's go. Down here in this basement is the area that probably gave us the most problems because we had a water leak on this side of the basement. Before the sheetrock framing and everything, we had to repair that water leak and waterproof all of this area. So once we did that, we were able to insulate and then sheetrock all of this area down here in the basement. Like, this basement area is very functional now. You have the carpet with deluxe padding. Got a little area over here, you slam your TV up, make it a little game room. Hey, it's just a great space now. And again, we have a bathroom down here as well that has that same pattern tile that we have in the bathroom upstairs in the hallway. And the herringbone subway tile on the wall as well. Same vanity lights. So we kept it consistent. Also down here, let me cut this light off. Whoop. Also down here is the laundry area. Nice size laundry, put it side by side. You're good to go. Over here, if you remember, this was just concrete and wood. So what we decided to do was paint the ceilings black to give it a more clean feel. Yeah, black paint often does that. Some people may think it's misleading, but it actually creates a cleaner look when you paint the ceilings black in basements. We sheetrocked the wall, added carpet in here, so this is just a great storage area. Plenty of room for a lot of storage. Now let's go to the bedroom side. Pretty dope, right? Yeah. So over here, it's the bedroom side with these great windows. And look at this lighting in here. It's crazy. We got a door to the exterior right here. Double door for the closet. Then we have this huge space for the bedroom. And we added these sconces because this is concrete up here. So we couldn't do any any electrical up here without having the wires exposed or the piping for the wire. So we just decided to put some sconces on the wall and keep it clean. Since we got the can lights over here, this is the wood ceiling on this side, but this side is concrete. So we just kept it consistent like that. So yeah, I know y'all remember the house now. Like, it was a horrible house, like, from the look of it. But we brought this house to what it is now. And believe it or not, this house appraised at $400,000. I kid you not. So if you want something done right, either learn from us or get someone that knows what they're doing to get you the top dollar. Again, I'm KP from KP and GenoJ, and I'll see you on the next one.